Yeah, you are welcome to B2 Reality TV once again. This is happening live in Lagos, Nigeria, 2nd December 2022, and it's raining live again. So I'm bringing this to you live as it is happening right now. So please, if anyone in Nigeria can help me out, let's get more updates. Where is it happening live in Nigeria apart from Lagos? It's raining live in Lagos. So please, if this is happening anywhere else except Lagos, Nigeria, please can you let us know in the comment section, please. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, B2 Reality TV.